Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I'm Satya Karki, a blockchain developer at Stratis platform. With that, I'm Microsoft MVP, Microsoft Certified Trainer and csharp Kernel MVP. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can develop a smart contract in .NET 6 framework. Stratis platform is the one that provides the smart contract development in C# language, as well as Stratis blockchain is fully developed using .NET and C# language. In this tutorial, we will learn to develop Stratis smart contract in .NET 6 framework using Stratis NuGet package. So now let's move on. To develop a Stratis smart contract in a C#, first thing is you need to have a knowledge of a C#. Additionally, you need to have Visual Studio 2022 to be installed in your machine. However, you can use Visual Studio Code as well. For the demo purpose in this video, I will use Visual Studio 2022. So now let's go for the steps. First step is to open Visual Studio and create a class library project in .NET 6 framework. Then go to the NuGet package manager, search and install Stratis smart contract package for .NET 6. Then the environment is ready and we can write a smart contract program. Now let me demonstrate to you how you can achieve this. So first step is to open the Visual Studio and create a class library project. So let's open the Visual Studio. I have already opened Visual Studio 2022. Let's create a new project. Select a class library C# project template and click next. And then give the project name sample demo contract, and let me select the location. I will select this location and click on next. Then we have to select the framework as we are going to develop the smart contract in .NET 6 framework. So let's select .NET 6 long-term support as a framework for this project and click on create. It's now creating a class library project. So this is a default class library project in .NET 6 framework. We have completed the first step. Now let's go for the second step. The second step is to go to the NuGet package manager and install the Stratis smart contract package for the .NET 6. So let's search Stratis smart contract.net. Alright, this one is Stratis smart contract.net 6. This one is the package developed for the .NET 6. So we have to select this one and then install it. Click on OK to install it. So now you can see the Stratis smart contracts.net 6 package is already installed in this project. So now second step is our environment is ready. Now we can add a class and write our program. So let's add a new class. HelloWorld. I will demonstrate a HelloWorld smart contract program. And in our smart contract class, we have to inherit smart contract. So the using Stratis smart contract is automatically included here. We can remove the other unused usings, remove and sort usings. So this is our HelloWorld contract program that was developed in .NET Core. So this is a sample HelloWorld program. Let's copy this and see what will happen in the .NET 6. So here we can see we have got some warnings. We can check from the here also we have two warnings. Smart contract dot persistent state is absolute. Please use state property as shorthand. So in .NET Core we can use the persistent state for the property getters and the setters. However, in .NET 6 uh, persistent state is absolute, so we cannot use it in the .NET 6. Instead of the persistent state we have to use state. So let me change it to state. State, save it, and now we can build a solution. See, our error warnings all are gone. It's building. Build is success, so now we don't have any warning or the errors or anything in our program. Our smart hello world smart contract program is ready. So let's go back to the presentation. Once we complete our smart contract program, then our code is ready and we need to validate the contract code for the format and determinism. Once it is validated, then we can compile the contract code using the smart contract tool. Stratis smart contract tool is a command line tool to validate and compile the smart contract code. You can do the validation and compilation as usual like a .NET Core smart contract program. So there is no any differences between the .NET Core and the .NET 6 smart contract compilation. Compilations are all same. Hence, in this video, we learn to get started with smart contract development in .NET 6. We created class library project in .NET 6. Additionally, we installed a Stratis smart contract NuGet package for .NET 6. Eventually, we wrote Hello World smart contract program in .NET 6 and we explored the differences of writing the Hello World program in .NET Core and .NET 6. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, concerns, please feel free to write in the comment.